As you may know, if you've been following me for some time, either on here or on YouTube, I am absolutely obsessed with the perfectly penned notebook. I use them as my writing notebook because they have really good quality paper, they lay flat, and they've got a hardback cover and a little pen holder here. So I've used this grey one, this is completely full. This turquoise one, again completely full. This pink one, again completely full. And this is my current one, which is I believe it's a vegan leather look. And this one I have just a few pages left. There's about 250 pages in each one of these perfectly penned notebooks. So, Perfectly Penned reached out to me and said, would you like one of their new notebooks? And of course I said yes please. So this isn't sponsored, but it is gifted. So this is what I've just received in the post this morning, and I thought I would share it with you as I open it. I've been very constrained and didn't rip it open straight away, such as I wanted to do, because I thought I would film it for the camera. So let's just open this up. Now, I have been told by Perfectly Penned that they've got a number of new colours that have just come out. Some of them, I believe, just have the Perfectly Penned logo on the front, and the others have various animals. This is so exciting. So here it says they're a brand new business and depend on people just like me to help get the word out. This is the pen strap that you stick on the inside wherever you would like it to go. So lovely done. And then I have gone for a green, dark green, with a fox on the front. I love the wax Perfectly Penned logo there. So this is, let's get it in focus, this is a premium Vega leather material, 150 GSM extra thick paper. I thought they were 120 in these ones, so maybe that's changed for these new ones, or maybe I've got it wrong on the other ones. Index page and handy back pocket, a fixable sticky pen loop, and a lay flat design. So let's have a look on the inside. Lots. This is a dotted one, whereas my previous ones were all lined. So this will be useful for my planning that I have previously done in a different branded notebook. It's got an index page, so if you're bullet journaling with this, that would be very useful as well. It's got numbered pages, so here down in the bottom corner, it's got the numbers, and there are 160 pages in this style of book, whereas I believe there are 250 or thereabouts pages in the lined versions. And it is really thick paper. I mean, that is absolutely glorious. And as you see, it will lay flat, which is perfect for either using it as a planner, as a bullet journal, whatever you want. And then towards the back, we have this little envelope for keeping bits and bobs in, and the strap that goes round the front of the notebook to keep everything contained. And there's also two little bookmarks just there as well. But what sold me on this was the beautiful rich colour, the green, and the fact that it's got various different animals on the front, which you can take a look at on their website. There you go, another perfectly penned notebook to add to my collection.